everyone, welcome to all. This side Shivani Merkunde. I'm your Python trainer. I work as a Python full stack trainer in Arbor. So let's get started.
So hi guys, as I previously mentioned, in today's session we will discuss about list comprehension. Okay, basically there is the list comprehension, dictionary comprehension, then tuple comprehension and set comprehension. In interviews guys, many time this question is asked for the fresher also and for the experienced ones. So let's get started. See, what is the list comprehension? A list comprehension helps you to create a list quickly and cleanly without writing a multiple line of code, right? What does it stand for? See, basically you wanted to create a list to generate the number from 1 to 100, right? Yes, you can do that to manually write 1 2 3 4 3 until to the 10. Yes, this will take a time and it will also take more code. So basically without writing the whole data manually, list comprehension is also help you to in just one line of code, right? It is mainly used to generate new list by applying an expression to each item and iterable, just like list, tuple, range function optionally with a conditional statement. Now what this is stand for? See, basically if you have a list, already existing list, and you wanted to do a filtration of that list, right? Only wanted to fetch only positive numbers from that specific list, ठीक है? तो filtration करके आप one line of code में वो कर सकते हो, right? On which data set? Which is जो iterables है कि list is also iterable, tuple is also iterable, range is also iterable, ठीक है? तो rather than writing a traditional if then conditional statement and then filtration, आप ये सब एक ही लाइन में कर सकते हो. So see the basically syntax for the same. First is the expression, what you wanted to do with that specific list, and then for item in iterable means you are trying to apply each condition or each expression on that specific items, right? And then if condition. Now if condition is optional, whenever you wanted to do a filtration of data, that time we use a if condition statement, right? Now some key point is also there. See, it is written in a single line. As I previously mentioned, single line में होता है. It is more readable and compact than the using loop. एज ए प्रीवियसली ये भी हमने मेंशन किया कि लूप से ये कंपेयर अच्छा होता है, राइट? इट कैन इंक्लूड कंडीशनल्स, ऑप्शनल. हाँ, कंडीशंस भी हो सकते हैं, इफ ले सकते हो, इफ एल्स ले सकते हो, और विदाउट भी ले सकते हो. दैट इज द टोटली ऑप्शनल. देन इट इज कॉमनली यूज फॉर द फिल्ट्रेशन एंड ट्रांसपोर्टिंग द डेटा, राइट? सो बेसिकली फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ डेटा के लिए भी ये यूज होता है. सो व्हाट वी डू, विल डू दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोड, सो विल गेट अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? Okay, now I'll create one data. Okay, see, data, and I wanted to generate 1 to 10 numbers, so I need to write the values one by one, right? So with the help of list comprehension किस तरह से one line में कर सकते हो? देखो, data, right, is equal to I means the value wanted to generate, I or expression for I in range of. Now we are using a range for 1 to 11 because we know the range last value is always exclude. So ये data भी print करके देता है, which is data जो हमने manually की है, print data जो हमने लीस्ट कंप्रीहेंशन से की है, राइट? सी, बोथ आंसर आर द सेम, बट मुझे 1 to 100 करना है तो मुझे मैनुअली करना पड़ेगा. बट यही मैं क्या करूंगी अभी, 101 विद द लीस्ट कंप्रीहेंशन. डेटा आई नीड टू राइट हियर सी, ठीक है? सो दिस इज हाउ इट विल जनरेट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ डेटा के लिए भी यूज होती है, राइट? सो this is my data. We will take a same data set over here, right? There are some negative values. Okay, now from this data set I wanted to remove the negative values and create the another data set. So I'll use updated updated is equal to I should be simple, for I in which data set, this data set, data if I is greater than 0 means it will, ये कंडीशन क्या करेगी, इटरेट करेगी वन बाय वन. इफ दिस कंडीशन इज ट्रू देन ओनली ये I क्या होगा, ऐड हो जाएगा. एंड देन प्रिंट अपडेटेड. सी दिस इज हाउ वी आर गेटिंग, राइट. सो दिस इज अबाउट द लिस्ट कंप्रहेंशन गाइस. आप डिक्शनरी कंप्रहेंशन भी कर सकते हो, सेट कंप्रहेंशन भी कर सकते हो, टपल कंप्रहेंशन कर सकते हो. सो एक बार आप ट्राई करके देखो, आई विल डेफिनेटली नो कि आपको ये आएगा. ओके, सो फॉर नाउ गाइस, बाय बाय ऑल.